Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device, which means how to hard reset your device through the factory mode. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, like this. After you enter factory mode, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option clear eMMC, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.